Hi everyone, a very good evening, good afternoon to all of you, and we're quite excited to share this news with you all that yesterday only we launched our website, and that is now publicly available. It is now listed on the domain, and it is having multiple details related to our clouds. Maybe it is related to AWS cloud, Azure, and GCP cloud. Different type of cloud curriculum related things is available there. That particular site having multiple blogs going to be sooner published, and multiple type of courses are also available which you can explore with the weekend time frame for it. So let me tell you what exactly that site name, and it is developed in-house. We only developed in-house this particular website using few of the small technologies which help us to understand also new component. So basically this is the website, even though I can let you know opening that the website also, but this is the website devopswithranjit.com. And you might have remembered that last few days we have like opened also one of the YouTube channel also, that is the DevOps with Ranjit. Both of them is the same channel which we have developed it. Okay. So basically, this the intention was to share more and more knowledge, more and more information across the people related to different clouds. Maybe when I say related to different uh, clouds, it is like AWS cloud. You can talk about it is like Azure cloud, like take it about, and as well as we can say it as like GCP cloud. So these many are the market competitors right now, and very famous into the market, which is actually available. That is the main thing we want to discuss. Now let me take you to my Chrome screen where we have the website launch yesterday, and you can just search for the DevOps with Ranjit website. So you will be finding over here something like DevOps with Ranjit. This is the window, and in this one, of now it is, if you go over here, CPS DevOps with Ranjit.com. You can just click over this one, and if you can just search for the website. So as of now, it is not listing over here because it is recently created. So maybe that could be the reason it is not showcasing. But just search over in this one. Sorry, I was actually typing in some other place, so I can just type it over here. That was with Anjeet, and you can say over here this one. Yeah, I think this is the right website which we just now opened. I was actually searching in the Google. That's the reason it is not seeing it here. So here, this website available over there. You can search about multiple things into this particular website, and it will give you a detailed information what we are doing it and what we are actually trying to achieve it. So it was again like small learning happened for us. Just explore this complete UI, whatever we have, develop it and design it at home. So you can find about myself the information over this one. There are a few things you can do it. So yeah, this is pretty much a short video for just for letting you know okay, that this is a website is available. You can look at for the different courses available there and different things with respect to the DevOps. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, and have a nice